Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be sharing some tips on how to stop nail biting in partnership with Magique. So let's get started. First, you want to figure out what triggers your nail biting. The most popular causes are stress and anxiety or just being bored. Being mindful of these triggers can help you stop the habit since a lot of times you don't even realize you're doing it. Chewing a piece of gum can help, or try placing a rubber band or hair tie around your wrist to fidget with instead of biting your nails or cuticles. Make sure to have a weekly nail care routine so you can prevent hangnails, since you can start biting your nails due to a hangnail. You can also carry some nippers with you to snip off the hangnails whenever you need to. When you feel the urge to bite your nails, replace that habit with a good habit like painting or filing your nails. Getting a nice manicure can also break the nail biting habit since you don't want to ruin your freshly painted nails. Another great tip is to make your nails taste bad. Magique's no-bite treatment is unique due to its patent-pending tailored bitterness capability. The standard bitterness cures for most people, but it comes with extra bitters. So breaking the habit using this product is almost guaranteed since you can customize how bitter you need it to be for the right discouraging taste. This product is safe and non-toxic, and it can be used over nail polish or alone. It's a perfect solution to break kids' thumb sucking and all ages of biting problems. I tested the stock bitter nail polish on my own nails, and I can assure you it tastes terrible. It would completely stop me in my tracks if I had the urge to bite. This product helps prevent long-lasting damage to the nails and nail beds caused by biting, and it also helps prevent the spread of germs and viruses caused by placing your fingers in your mouth and nail infections. To finish off my nail care routine so that my nails stay healthy, I've been using Magique's Vitaliy Pen, which heals cracked nails, rigid cuticles, and hangnails, which is important because, like I said earlier, you can start biting your nails due to a hangnail. Their formula is packed with vitamin A and E to strengthen your nails, and it's great that it comes in a click pen so you can take it with you wherever you go. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helps you out. Be sure to comment if you have any other tips and tricks to stop biting your nails. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!